Today on The Explainer, we're tackling a real mystery from the heat of a police shootout. You think officers make their own split-second calls, right? Well, what if that's not the whole story? It's a phenomenon called contagious fire, basically an unconscious reflex that can have deadly results. So to get to the bottom of this, a study put 169 officers into a super realistic simulation. So what happened when one officer fired first? The results, wow, they were just staggering. Get this, officers were over 11 times more likely to shoot if their partner shot first. And they didn't just fire, they fired 72% more rounds. That's a huge influence. But here's where it gets weird. When asked about it, their stories didn't match their actions at all. And that's the conflict, right? Their behavior was linked, but their stories were all about going it alone. Even when asked point blank, almost 70% said their partner's actions had absolutely no effect on them. Their reports sounded like this one, a textbook solo threat assessment, no mention of their partner. So what's really going on? Are they covering for each other, or is it something neurological? Well, it comes down to how our brain works. Under stress, our fast, automatic System 1 takes over. But the problem is, their training forces them to explain it as a slow, logical System 2 choice. Okay, so researchers broke this disconnect down into a 3-level framework. Let's walk through it. First up, the behavior. The data is clear. Officers are massively influenced by what their peers do. Second, awareness. In the heat of the moment, most officers just aren't consciously aware of that influence. And third, the narrative. After the fact, they build a story that fits the official legal script. So why does this all matter? Because it completely changes how we need to think about police accountability. It means we have to rethink everything: training, how incidents are reported, and accountability itself. Now, once in a while, you get a moment of awareness like this, a real crack in the official story. So it leaves us with this big question: how do we find the truth when memory and action just don't line up?